historic flooding, all kinds of words we'll be using, and we're not even out of the worst of it yet for some areas, unfortunately, Steve and Tisha. Here's a look at the satellite radar pictures, and Florence still on top of us, basically. The center's in South Carolina, but we're on the worst side. Keep talking about that. Look at this plume of moisture. These cloud tops here, there's thunder and lightning, intense rainfall that continues to stream on shore and then wrap into southeastern North Carolina and eventually into parts of our viewing area, mainly south of the Triangle. The center, again, is just limping along at about 2 miles, 3 miles per hour. Incredibly slow. There it is, west at 3, 40 miles south of Charleston. And that track hasn't changed. And it really, again, not going to change, I don't think. It's pretty much set in stone, but heavy rains will spread up through the Ohio Valley. We'll start to get a break here later tomorrow into Monday. Tornado watch south and east of the Triangle right now until 5. Haven't had too many warnings as of late this afternoon, but that feed of moisture is going to continue even as Florence gets farther away. Still, it's going to remain unsettled here into Monday with some scattered showers and storms. Radar shows that really strong fetch of moisture coming in again across parts of Onslow County, down towards Wilmington, some thunder and lightning, and that's just not moving much, and it rotates in. It gets a little bit weaker, but the rainfall rates are still pretty intense here across the Sandhills, and the farther north you get, of course, it's a much better situation. There are some heavier showers, but they're moving along near the Virginia border. Triangle area, most of it over towards Wilson for now, not much rain going on. You see some showers, again, mainly to the north of the Triangle now, and some rain around Hillsborough too, but around Durham and Raleigh, nothing more than some light rain, but it picks up again. Goldsboro, not too much rain, but southern Wayne County, it's raining fairly hard. Steady, moderate to heavy rain across Hope County, Moore County, Cumberland County, into Sampson County, and more to the south and west. And none of that's going to change overall as we head through the next day and a half across the region. So far, rainfall amounts, again, tolerable to the north. These are Doppler estimates. Around the Triangle, you see 2 to 5 inches of rain in spots. These are just Doppler estimates, over to 7 across parts of Nash County. And then you get into the truly historic amounts of rainfall here across southern Wayne County, a Doppler estimate of almost 20 inches already. You get into Cumberland County. Last night, remember, we were talking 2 to 4. Now you're up to 7 to 8. And here into southern Wayne, look at some of these areas around Indian Springs, 15 to nearly 20 inches of rain. And there are those amounts over 20 inches, 20 to 24. So flash flood warnings remain in effect for much of the region right now, and they will. Here's First Alert Predictor, and notice that heavy rain through 7 o'clock continuing across the Sandhills. Occasionally, moderate to heavy rain gets up into the Triangle. It slacks off from time to time. Tomorrow morning, still coming down, and there'll be some heavy showers that start to rotate up into the border counties. The heaviest rain, though, by tomorrow evening, at least most widespread, moves off, and we get into a more scattered shower thunderstorm regime. This is just one computer model that's showing this is how much rain through Monday, additional rain from what we've gotten. And you see that bullseye there that's over parts of the Sandhills with, and that's, again, a computer model. It's not a typical, a forecast, but it could be another 10, 12 inches of rain in some parts of the area or more.